Godiva pumpkin spice caramels, pumpkin spice Hershey Kiss, candy corn M&Ms, Ducks, Cadbury Screme eggs, Mike and Ikes, Airheads Extreme, Tootsie Rolls, Twizzlers, Smarties, SweeTarts, Laffy Taffy, Milk Duds, Charms Blow Pop, Baby Renew, Goodbar, Krackel, Nerds, Sour Patch Kids, Hershey's Kisses, Butterfinger, Skittles, Reese's Pieces.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.